Hi Panthers, welcome to middle school. My name is Mrs. Welch and I'm going to be your science teacher this year. I know this is not the ideal way to start school and meet your teachers, but remember, we're all in this together. I've put together a small slideshow to learn more about me and my classroom, so I hope you enjoy. Until we meet in person, stay strong. Here's my family. Um, my husband is also a coach and a teacher. He's at Veterans Memorial. He is the defensive coordinator and track coach over there. And together we have one son. His name is Bryson, and he's 19 months old. Together we love to go to the zoo, go to the museum, take our dog Griffey for walks, and just enjoy being outside and being in each other's company. A few things that we're going to be learning this year. We have our 6 units, which are physics, energy, space, biology, geology, and chemistry. We will be going through these 6 units together to learn more about them as the year progresses. These are my Google Classroom codes. They will also be posted on my teacher webpage. Once you join your class period, you will start to see posts that I make of your lessons and your videos to start off the year. We will also be using Google Classroom once we do go in person. It's just a great way to post lessons, and so you can go back and look over things. A couple of keys to success. Make sure you're flexible this year. It's going to be different than what we're used to. Wear your mask, always wash your hands, finish your work and ask for help if you can't. And remember, always be kind to one another. Let's make it a great year, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.